Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm, another crochet project. This is a dishcloth that I can hang up while I'm doing the dishes. This is a dry rag, so to speak. I love the ones that are cotton, and you can get this cotton yarn right at Walmart. And I like them because when they wash up, they're really nice. Now, this is the woven stitch, and if you don't know what it is, it's so simple. You do a single crochet, then you skip a stitch, but when you skip a stitch, you add a stitch. So you do a single crochet, then you chain one, then you do a single crochet, skip a stitch, chain one on the top, and on it goes. So see how that is? Single crochet, you're skipping a stitch down the bottom. So what you're doing is you're doing a single crochet, then you add a chain, then you skip a stitch and go to the next one, single crochet, add a stitch, and skipping one on the bottom, and on and on. It's really a nice stitch, one of my favorites. It works up fast and people love it too because it's all close together. So it's a really nice stitch. And you can try different needles and your tension and everything, what works for you. I always suggest that when you buy yarn and stuff like that, get some extra needles too, because if you have a friend, you can always teach them to crochet, then you have a crochet buddy. And also too, if you lose your needle, then you have another needle. And the more you crochet, the better you'll be, the faster you'll be. But it's really not about being fast or anything. It's about enjoying the hobby. I like to crochet something every day. So lately I've been doing these little small projects. Although I have a few big ones I need to finish and show you guys. And I'm kind of excited about those as well. So anyway, there you go, guys. Nice dishcloth. I'm excited about using it. So I'm actually saving all my linen for the summer because then I have more company and then I can feel kind of fancy for myself. Other people may not notice it, but I'll feel special when I pull out my new linen. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.